Duh, 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 duh. Lego Harry Potter Show, Episode 2, The Invasion of Batman. Man, there is nothing to do today. Ah, who turned off the lights? Turn it back on. Yep, like I said, nothing to do. Yep, I wish there was something to do today. I know, go see Hagrid. Perfect idea. Oh, oh, here I am, Hagrid. Hey, Hagrid. Oh, hi, Harry. What you doing today? Oh, nothing. I just got bored. Oh my gosh, really? Yep. Oh, how did I get here? How did I get here? Oh, who the heck are you? I'm Batman. Really? Yep. Oh my gosh. I know, right? Thanks for watching. I know that was short, but thanks for watching.